responder will forward a CNAC, right? CNAC. And then it will forward a one word acknowledgement, only ACK, not final ACK. It forward a acknowledgement. After this three-way handshake, it means some kind of three-way handshake connection would be built. Then they have forward the, okay guys, understood? Same thing in the packet capture, we are going to see that those things. It means, and then it will forward a one word acknowledgement, only ACK, not final ACK. It forward a acknowledgement. After this three-way handshake, it means some kind of three-way handshake connection would be built. Then they have forward the, okay guys, understood? Same thing in the packet capture, we are going to see that those things. Sometimes what happen, we can see that scene is going. We can see that scene is going, but there is a no. I'm using a, there is a no return packet like CNAC. There is a no CNAC. If there is a no CNAC, it means my firewall is forwarding the traffic one way, but there is a no return packet. CNAC always a return packet. Okay. Okay. So it means scene is going, like here is my connection is source IP is 172.16.1.1 and destination is 8.8.8.8, right? With a port 443. Scene is going, but there is a no CNAC. If CNAC, like suppose example, if CNAC is coming, then what is the source IP here? Source IP is 88888 guys, right? And code 443. And right, and destination is 172.16.1.1 and whatever their source port. It could be random anything, right? I'm just typing random anything 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it, guys? For the CNAC, this one become destination becomes the source, right? For the return packet. So guys, always make sure if scene packet is going and return is not coming, it means something is happening in between. And sometimes we can see that packet is resetting. Resetting means what? It's a flag of TCP, right? Resetting is a TCP flag, resetting. We can also see push. If you will see P means push or urgent U, it means your packet is going very good. Packet is going very fast and very good. That is a good. It means there is a no issue. But I'm not talking here about the push and urgent. Okay, these are the TCP flags. Resetting means, what is the meaning of resetting? It means packet try to go to the destination, but my destination server is resetting it, forwarding a reset packet. It means could be there is an error at the server end, could be port is not listening, or could be local Windows firewall is blocking. Windows firewall, server firewall, right? Windows firewall, we know that, right? Windows firewall is blocking. Now I'm doing the packet capture. Now we know what is the meaning of that. This is a source IP 172.16.1.1. I'm forwarding to the destination IP 888. How we can do the packet capture, guys? In the packet capture, come to the monitor and then there is a packet capture. Come to the manage. First, we configure filtering. We need to manage the filter. To manage filter, we need to make the filter on. And there is one P parse match. Guys, note it down. P parse match is not useful by us. It can be used by the Palo Alto tech team. It will give us the output of hardware issues. If there is any hardware issues of my firewall, then that is required. That is not in use, not recommended to use by us. It can be used by the Palo Alto tech team. We can use this. I am just making filtering on. Once I put it on, I will go with the manage filter. Manage filter where I want to put the add. I will put the, there is some number of like 1, 2, 3, 4. We can create that time number of captures. What is this? We can know this ID. Just add the ingress interface. If any traffic entering to this interface, it means ingress. If any traffic entering and any traffic exiting, like exiting from this, exiting from it is for the return traffic, inbound and outbound, right? Here, so here source is 172.16.1.1. So I'm going to configure ingress interface Ethernet 1/1, right? Where for this IP, for this PC, where Ethernet 1.1, this is the ingress, traffic coming for that way, right? This way. So this is the ingress interface. Now source IP 1.1, this looks good. Destination, you need to filter with the destination. Here I'm Google DNS. I'm taking for the Google DNS 8.8. Source port not required. Never look for a source road. That is random. Now destination port, I want for 443. That's it. This is protocol, non-IP, IP, this is not required. As I am telling you, Palo Alto giving all rubbish features as well even. Okay, not required. It's just for the making confusing. It's a protocol, IP, ICMP, not required. So now we know source IP, destination IP, and the port number. That's it. If you want to put some other filter as well, you can go to the number 2. Then you can do that. Okay, put some IP, some other as well. You can do that. Okay, guys. So just this is source IP, destination IP, port number. Okay. Once you're done with this, I have managed filter. Now there is a capturing. Packet capturing. Make the packet capturing on. Once the packet capturing is on, there is some stages, guys. Stage. What is this stage? I'm explaining. I'm going to explain. Okay. Come to the ad. Just there is a 4 stages, guys. Drop, firewall, receive, and transmit. What is I'm explaining? I'm just typing drop. I'm taking everyone. Okay. Drop. And this is the name of the capture of the file. File will create for this. Okay. Just don't be confused. It will create a one capture file. That is you can save locally even. Okay. So I'm just going to put a name DP. DP means D. This is how many packet count you want, or how many byte count of the capture you want. You can, even if you want to put some threshold, you can for the buffer size. Not required generally, but if you want, you can do that by the packet count. How many packet count you want? Not required. Okay. What I have done, then again, we need to take all the times for the 4. It's all depend. What is this? I'm explaining. Drop and the firewall. FWP. Okay. I'm just putting this capture first. Then again, I need to go for other one. What is receive and RP? And there is a guys one more transmit TP. That's fine. See that, guys. My capture is ready now. My capture is totally 100% ready. This is the way we can put the capture. Before going for the capture, I'm going to explain what is these 4 things. Okay, guys. Now come. So we can see drop. Okay. So if any packet drop, so first see the drop stage. Okay. These are the stages. First stage, guys. Make sure stage. There's a many things. So first is drop. What is the meaning of drop? If any packet dropped by the firewall, okay, it means my firewall is denying, dropped by the firewall. We can get the hit there. Okay, we can get the logs or capture, whatever. We can get the logs at drop stage, whatever, or drop file, whatever you will put the name, drop file. We have created the file, right? So in the drop, if any packet which is blocking by the firewall, any packet which is blocking, my firewall is blocking the traffic, right? That stuff would come in the drop, guys. Okay. Second is firewall. My firewall, if any packet like crossing by the firewall, okay, like any rule is hitting, whatever I have created the security policy. I have created the security policy. Which rule is created. If it's a deny rule, I'm telling you, even it's a deny rule or allow rule. Make sure, guys, even it's a deny rule or allow rule. If any traffic hitting my firewall rule policy, if any packet capture, it is hitting my security policy, that logs we are going to get in the firewall stage. Okay. In the drop, guys, if we have not create even any firewall policy, my firewall is by default blocking multiple things, right, guys? So that's why they have segregated it with a different drop. But if we have create any allow rule or the deny rule, we have created a policy. If that rule is hitting to my firewall and dropping or allowing whatever it is, if it is hitting my security policy, it is going by the security policy, that is come into the firewall stage. Drop whatever my firewall is dropping. Firewall stage, my security policy is hitting, I will get the logs here. Third is what, guys? Transmit is what? Like transmit is if any traffic, whether it's a security rule, any traffic is just transmitting. Transmitting was it is crossing, it is going, it is transiting actually. Whether transmit, it is passing by the firewall. Whether it's hitting the security policy, whether by any means it is going, I don't know. I'm just saying If it is passing by the firewall, that logs I'm getting at the transmit. Okay, any traffic which is passing by the firewall by any means from any side. Okay, that logs we are going to get in the transmit. If you're hitting any security policy, not hitting, I don't know, but it will get in the transmit. Okay, and transmit one has a little confusion. Received one means what, guys? Very important. Is that's why I'm explaining the last. Could be a, like, guys, received one, if any, I'm getting the hit. Could be there is a rule in the firewall. Could be not rules in the firewall. But suppose, guys, I'm getting a hit. This guy initiating a some traffic. I'm getting a hit. You know, hit count. Getting the hit count, right? I'm getting a hit on this particular interface. I'm getting the hit of this interface. If I put a capture of this interface, okay, and I'm getting a hit. Could be it is not passing through, but I'm getting hit here, right? I'm getting hit. Could be it is blocked. Could be it is allowed, whatever, but I'm getting hit here, right? I'm getting hit at the interface. That logs I'm getting at the received end, received stage. Understood, guys? All four are clear. So 4.1 is received packet. Okay, let me explain received. Firewall is very easy. Whatever the rules, like I have created one security policy at the firewall. Okay, I have created one security policy at the firewall. Okay, if any traffic going by the firewall, and if it is hitting the security policy, what is the meaning of hitting the security policy? Whatever the rules I have created, if I'm getting the logs, whatever the rules I am created, that all logs coming in the firewall. It means like I have created the policy in the firewall. Okay, like come here, drop again. Okay, I'll explain the drop one. So firewall is what like if any traffic going through the firewall, whether it is allowing, I'm taking two things. If any traffic going like coming here, whether it is allow or deny, but it is allow or deny, it is happening the rule which I have created. Like guys, in the drop, my firewall is by default dropping multiple things. If there is a no security policy in the firewall, my firewall is dropping everything, right? So that packet would come in the drop, right? But if I allow anything, like I have created one rules. This is my source IP. I'm going to create one rule that 10.1.1.1 destination 10.2.2.2 and port number 443. 443. Guys, I have created the security policy for this one. Security policy created for this one. Okay. Security policy created in my firewall. Okay. So if guys, this is a PC 10.1.1.1 and there is a destination 10.2.2.2. If this PC will initiate a traffic to this destination with the port number 443, we have a security policy at my firewall, right? So that logs I'm going to get it at the firewall. That logs I'm going to get at the firewall drop, whatever firewall stage. Okay, there was a stage, right? That I'm going to get at the firewall. So whatever the log actually I'm getting, if it is hitting the security policy, someone asked for the drop. Drop is what? This is my firewall. Any traffic, guys, for the drop, it is any traffic coming, any traffic it is dropping, any traffic is dropping by default. If you have created the policy or not created the policy, doesn't mean that. By default, firewall is dropping multiple things. If any traffic dropping by the firewall, I'm not telling it's a security policy or it's a just it means if there is a security policy, if there is a not security policy. Like firewall could be by default firewall dropping multiple things, right? So those kind of logs which is dropping by the firewall, that is come into the drop stage. Clear? Okay. Now let's go to the capture. So now my filter is ready, guys. Now come to this firewall. Let's see what's going to read. Okay, let me log into test. I'm going to initiate a traffic. Okay. So what was the capture was? Source IP 172.16.1.1 going to the destination 88888 with the port number 443, right? So this is the same source. I'm initiating the packet. HTTPS means 443 going to the 88888. That's it, guys. Enter. Okay, it's coming. Anyway, it's working, right? For me, it's working. Let's see what happened here. Come at the capture in. This is the capture. We need to refresh it. There's a refresh button. Just refresh it, guys. What's gonna happen? I got 4 stubs, all 4 packet. Okay, I got the 4 packet. It means this is the file I will get. Sometimes what happen in the DP file which I have created the name, right? File I have created the DP for the drop, TP for the transmit, FWP for the, so those I have created here. Those name I have created. This is a PCAP file. What is packet capture file? Once you log in, you can share with anyone, guys. If you click on it, it will come here locally. It will saved locally here. If you, it's a Wireshark packet. If you open it, guys, you will see all the TCP flags. So see what I'm going to see. These are the red packet. Whatever this is by default. Source is 172.16.111. Destination 888 for the TCP. Some 666. It is by default blocking. I'm not saying it's for the, like, it is blocking for some other port. We will able, like dropping. We are able to view those packet in the Wireshark. It all coming as a packet capture, guys. Okay, PCAP file. Okay, so let's remove those things. I'm interested in the FWP. Let's open FWP. Okay, because I can see that my traffic is working. Okay, so we can see that, guys, these are the 170 source 172.16.1.1.1 88888 TCP. So these are FWP. It means we can see that what we are see that, guys. See that here. Okay, we can see that acknowledgement here. The ACK packet is going on. Okay, see that acknowledgement packet, guys. Okay, we can see packet is going. If you open this, we can see all the information, guys. Like this is a source port 49241. This is a destination port 443. So it's are the all whatever the sequence number, acknowledgement number, header length. It's all in Wireshark. We could able to view everything's all details of the firewall, guys. Okay, packet, guys. So it means FWP. If we can see the logs which is actually hitting to my firewall. It means that is going by the firewall. Okay, you can see that client hello as well. Client hello. Change cipher. These are what, guys? We can see the SYN packet is going. See that SYN packet. This is SYN packet. Then come here, guys. These are the keep alive first. Okay. These are the red packet. This is the first packet, guys. When I initiate a packet, this is the first packet going. Keep alive message went. Then there is a some more CID packet I could see. And then there is a see that, guys. Acknowledgement cipher. Why it's a SSL packet, right? So some kind of change cipher TLS v1. They have shared the, because HTTPS is a SSL packet. They have shared some TLS version 1.2. Length is 118. Change cipher is some kind of, if I open it, you will get to know more. And then they have sent a client hello, right? Even they have sent a client hello. There would be client and server SSL exchange packet has been done. Then we can see that acknowledgement packet. Before there is a SYN packet going on. Okay, SYN. Then there is an acknowledgement coming from that. If there is an acknowledgement coming, it means what? My traffic is going good. Both side traffic is hitting. So that's why, guys, we can see the deep packet analysis of that, guys. Okay, even if you open everything, so you will see which protocol it's using, Ethernet type, frames, always all the frames and MAC address details, all we can see that, guys. Okay. Anyway, now I'm closing it, guys. I'm not explaining those. We know that what are those things. In the received packet, why I'm getting all 4? Some packets are dropping also. Not for the 443, some other for making connectivity. Whatever the packets are dropping in between, we are getting the logs at the DP. FWP, whatever the packets are successfully going on and hitting my firewall, we are getting the logs at FWP. Received packet, we know that because we will definitely all the time, if your traffic is hitting my firewall, if it is allow or deny, we will get the logs at the RP. And definitely it is transmitting successfully. We can got the logs as well at the TP here. So this is the way we can do the packet capture, guys. So now we can do the packet capture. Here we are doing packet capture by the GUI. I'm just going to demonstrate how we can do the packet capture by the CLI. Okay, so guys, how we can delete it? We can delete those things. Just select everything. Okay, guys, just bear with me for 10-15 minutes, guys, please. Okay, if you have a time, I want to explain those, because let's remove those gone. Those things I need to select and remove it. I'll show you how we can do that. There is a way we can delete it. What I'm going to do in the manage factor, I'm just removing everything. Okay, and I will do the same packet capture by the CLI, guys. I removed. Okay, and guys, one more thing I just forget. For doing a packet capture, committing is not required. Okay, committing is not required for the packet capture. Like whatever we are doing, we have to commit it. If someone would ask in the interview, if you're going for the packet capture, did you, once you configure everything for the packet capture, do you commit it? Okay, now guys, come to the CLI. Now I'm going to explain how we can do the same things by the CLI. Okay, so let's log into the firewall admin test@123. Okay, once you log in, guys, what we need to do, there is a command debug. Debug is required for the packet capture. Every firewall debug. Okay, debug and data plane. We know it's a data plane. We know control plane, data plane. So this is debug data plane and packet capture. This is a command. Packet diag means packet diag means diagnostic. These three words actually required. Remember it. Debug, data plane, packet diag. Okay. Now what we are do? First we have on the filter, right? We have to be filtering. We need to on. This is off here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do set filter. You can use help key, filter on. That's it. Hit enter. Once you do that, come here. It is still showing up. Let me refresh it. It will be on here. See that, guys? It came. It on here automatically. I'm doing from the CLI. It is affecting here. Okay. So there, how I can, what I'm doing, I'm just on the filter. Now I have to do the manage filter. If I click on manage filter, guys, there is nothing, right? Nothing. It will come. Manage filter. Second step, same thing. Debug, data plane, packet diag. These three command is required all the time. Then set. We are setting something. Set. What I'm doing, setting filter. What I'm doing, setting filter. Okay. Then there is a match. We need to do the, we can do the help key as well. Index, match, on, off. I want to do a match. Okay. Matching for source and destination IP. We can do the help key as well. Destination netmark, whatever, ingress interface. We can go for the ingress interface as well. Just type source. Okay. Source IP 192.172.16.1.1. Destination. Okay. 8.8.8. Okay, guys, let's put the destination port as well. Destination port 443. Let me go for WL. Okay. If you want to go for ingress interface earlier there, right? Let me put ingress as well. Ingress interface inside, and also whatever non-IP protocol netmask not required. Hit enter. Invalid ingress interface. Okay, something showing invalid. I don't know why. Leave it. Not required. Okay, my source IP, destination IP in the port, destination port number, that is done. Now what we need to do? If you do that, come here, guys. In manage filter, I would say that there is nothing. Now it came automatically. See that 172.168.1 type 443. Ingress interface I didn't put there. Nothing is there. Okay, that's good. Cancel it. Same canceling. But this two part is done. Configuring filter done. Now we have to do for configuring capture. Filter is done. Now configuring capture. So capturing we need to on the packet capture. Okay, same command, guys. Okay, debug. Why it is not running? Debug data plane, okay, and packet diag. These three command required, guys. Then set what I want to enable. Capture. Earlier it was filter. Just make on. Just on. Now it is packet capture is enabled. Now come. It's showing here is off. Let me refresh it. It will be on. Guys, it's on, right? Now first stage is filtering on. Second stage is to manage filtering. Then third is on the packet capture. Now fourth, we need to put the all the stages of the firewall. Okay, let's enable all. This is the fourth. Okay, so how we can do that, guys? Same command. Debug, data plane, packet diag. Very easy. These three, if you remember these three now, you can do whatever it is. Okay, now stage. instead of going anywhere, if you do the help key, you will see that show set aggregate logs. Okay, packet dive set. Then there is a capture, set capture help key. Then I need to go for stage. Okay, stages. There are multiple things, but dot is not required. Set capture stage. Now do help key. There is a drop, firewall, receive, transmit. This 4 is required. This 2 is for the VPNs. So let go for the drop. Okay. Now once you put the drop, I need to put the file name. If you do the help key, okay, byte count, packet count. Remember, we can do there itself. Now I want file, whatever name. Just last time I've given the DP file, right? But make sure here if you put the name now, you need to put the DP dot pcap. You need to write pcap, guys. Okay, dot pcap. This is the main difference. We need to type like this. Okay, now up arrow. Okay, and remove drop. Just go for firewall. Okay, file. Put the fwp dot pcap. Up arrow. Remove those. Receive. Whatever you want, you can, like all the times 4 not required, guys. I'm telling. If you want only for the FWP, you can put the FWP firewall. If you want received, you can do that. So all 4 stages all the times not required, but if you required, you can take all 4 stages of the type. Drop, firewall, receive, and last is transmit. So guys, now my packet capture would be done. There is nothing. I will refresh it. All 4 would come. Come, guys. See that. All 4 came. So now this is the way we can create a packet capture. Now let me go here and initiate a packet again. Just I'm refreshing this packet again. Let's see. Coming on the same. It's working fine. Let's see the log. So guys, we can see the log there itself. Okay. So how we can see the logs? Okay, by the CLI. There is a command, guys. This is a different command. View pcap. Okay. And if you put the help key, but view pcap and then follow. There's multiple things there. No need. View pcap, follow. Then there is a yes. I don't know the meaning, but they want view pcap, follow, yes. Okay. And then you need to give the name of the file. Okay. Like what you want. I want to go for filter pcap, and like I want to go for FWP. Whatever the name I have created, right? Whatever the name of the file, pcap file, there, FWP dot FW, whatever the file name you want, just put the FWP dot pcap. Hit enter. We cannot session ban filter pcap for reading no such file or directory. Don't have a such file or directory. RV dot. Did I create the name of RV? RP. I don't know why it is not coming, but it should be something wrong here. Okay. Show data hacks link no timestamp. Debug pcap. The command is correct, guys. Name whatever I am creating, it also looks good, right? The name of the pcap, dp pcap. Okay, no files available. See, the directory is empty. Why? I think traffic is not generated or what? Okay, traffic is not generated. That's why it's not coming, guys. HTTPS 8. Traffic was not generated. That's why it didn't come. Let's see. Very slow today. Could be. Okay, came here. Meanwhile, it's coming. Let's see if any packet is generating. Now it came. Okay, the packet is generating. So now we can able to view the same command. Okay, view pcap, follow, yes, and filter cap. So what is the name? New fwp dot
pcap.
If you enter,
It's done.
looks slow. Let's see. It will come, guys.
The command is accepted, sir. Now.
Yeah, command accepted. I don't know why it is not coming. I know this command, guys. I'm using it multiple times. Sorry. So just note it down, this command, guys. This is the okay. See that? Okay. So that is the way we can see IP 172.1.1. This is a port number going to DNS Google HTTPS flag. This is the actually this is the easiest way to see, guys, because I'm not able to much understand the Wireshark. Yes, we can actually, but this is SYN is going, guys. You see that? I can explain those things. Now let me explain. Okay, and then there is a see that, guys, acknowledgement. If you see the acknowledgement, just good, happy. It means both where traffic is going on. If you want able to see the acknowledgement, it means what? I only able to see SYN. It means the one-way packet going. What is P, guys? P means push. Means your traffic is going pushing. That could be push. P means going good. Okay, so these are for the TCP. Even for the UDP, you are able to view that. And we know that in the UDP, there is a no connection oriented. Anyway, all the push, it means all the acknowledgement. It means just get all the captures, the mail to the user and your manager that I could see that traffic. Anyway, it's a both way traffic going on. But suppose, guys, only you are able to see only SYN packet, multiple SYN packet, like 1,000, all the 100 of logs only for the SYN. There is no acknowledgement. It means what? My traffic is going one way. There is no return packet. Okay, guys. So, guys, I think for the today's session, you would know that how to do a packet capture, how to do a troubleshooting, how to look for a source, destination, policies, logs, even for the packet capture. Okay. One more thing I want to explain. Control C to break it. Control C. Okay. Control C to break it. Okay. Whatever it is, continuous coming on. Okay. So now, guys, just one last things. Now this all has created. Now I want to delete it. Right? We have just from the CLI. We have created the logs. Now, how we can remove that, I'm going to explain. Okay. So just we can do it. Run the command debug. Okay. Data plane. Okay. Packet dial. And then do the set. Just like we on the filter on. Just do the filter off. Okay. Filter off. Now your filter is off. Come here. It is still on. Let me refresh it. Either we can delete it from there itself. You can, right? It is off. Now remove the filter, set filter. And there is a in filter. There was a match, right? Leave it for the match. It will go. Go for the set capture. Let's off the capture. Let's capture off. Now capture is disabled. You will see those gone. Okay. Now if you want to remove the files, guys, you can also do that. Oh, set capture is firewall file. For removing, it's not coming. Okay. Anyway, one more command, guys. Not from here. Okay. Not from here. Till set there is a command clear. Okay. Clear. Okay. So like set, remove the set as well. Yes. See that, guys. And in the clear all. What you want? If you want to clear capture, if you want to clear filter, you can do. But I want clear all gone. See that? This all will go. Even the manage filter, I know this is okay. It's already gone. Manage filter. This all whatever the capture we have created here, it will all go. Once I removed, once I refresh it, all gone. So that's how we can. But those files, guys, it would going to be stay. Files going to be stay. If you delete it, you need to manually select and delete it from the GUI. Okay, that is going to delete here. If you want to delete from the GUI, so that's how, guys, we can